That's right, we're going to make this chicken gravy without using flour. Natural ingredients go into this gravy and not much else. Start by cutting up your fennel and the onion and pick some herbs from your garden. In a heavy tray, oil those wings and then slam it in the oven for 45 minutes. Okay, next you're going to flip these wings over and you see that golden brown colour? That's what you want because it's colour and it's flavour. In with the butter, in with the herbs. I'm using thyme and sage. Give it a good stir and then back in the oven for 20 minutes. Next is your stock, 1.5 litres of stock or water and a teaspoon of salt. Now you've got to simmer this gently on the stove for about 60 minutes or until it reduces by a third. Out come those stems and the wings and it goes into a bowl in your fridge overnight. Well, here it is. It's set pretty hard. And now we blend it, including all that chicken butter on top. Because that is what makes our sauce nice and shiny. All it needs is a little heat up on the stove. And it's chicken gravy that everyone's gonna like.